Hi, this is Jason Thompson from Smartline with a Cairns Property Market update for July 2015. A big thank you for the hard-working team at Hare & Todd White Cairns for compiling these statistics and making them available to share with you. Cairns is starting the 2015-16 financial year in much better economic shape than it started 2014-15. Even so, the economy has not yet become buoyant. Future business indicators such as tourism arrivals and housing construction are good, but they are not filtering through as rapidly into improved job creation and reduced unemployment. Let's kick off with property prices. The Cairns median house price has remained relatively steady in recent months, with the median house price trend standing at $395,200 in May 15. However, a trend rise of 3.8% over the last 12 months is still indicated. Median unit prices have moved back to an upward trend, while the median land price has reduced because of a revival of land sales in the less expensive areas of the Southern Corridor, lowering the overall median. Property for sale. The supply of properties listed for sale has started to climb as generally increasing prices are attracting more properties onto the market. The trend in the number of properties for sale has increased by 13.6% between the June quarter of 14 and the June quarter of 15. There is also a fair amount of extra stock likely to come onto the market from vendors who have been wishing to sell for some time, but have not yet listed their properties for sale in anticipation of better future market conditions. Median rents. Over the 12 months to June 15, the Cairns weighted average median rent has increased from $375 to $380 per week for houses and increased from $265 to $270 per week for units. Interestingly, over the 3 years to June 15, house prices have cumulatively risen by 12.9%, but house rents have correspondingly risen by only 9%, thereby gradually lowering percentage returns to investors. Rental vacancies. Rental vacancy rates are increasing slightly but remain at levels indicative of a tight rental supply. The trend vacancy rates for June 15 stood at 2.5% for houses and 2.4% for units, and the market vacancy trend overall stood at 2.5%. Building approvals. Building approvals for the construction of new dwellings remain on a strong upward trajectory. Approvals have increased in trend terms by 36% over the last 12 months, from May 14 to May 15. Even so, the rate of new building approvals is still running at less than half of what would be expected on the basis of normal population growth and the demand for housing. Unit construction in particular remains very much in the doldrums, as even though there are projects in the pipeline, not much is happening yet on the ground. National Property Clock. Hare & Todd White's National Property Clock is prepared each month based on the local market perceptions of its Australia-wide network of offices. The Cairns market overall is presently positioned at the rising market stage. Well, that's it for this month. Here are my contact details, and if I can help in any way, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.